Yeah, so advice when using the blood kit would be, firstly, make sure your hands are very, very warm before you start, because what you're going to be doing is pricking your finger. The video tells you to do it here, but actually when I've done it, doing it here, you get more blood out. So firstly, do it down here and make sure your hands are always, mine are always boiling, so my blood falls out. But also do it in the morning because you get better blood flow in the morning. And the final thing would be, when you get the kit, it's got lots of little bits in it, tubes and things to label and stuff like that, get it all ready in front of you first, so that you're not having to worry about where the tube is or what you're going to do next. Have it all there, then prick your finger, get the blood out, and you don't have to be fussing around with anything.